Hello and welcome back to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in this video I'll show you how to preview your Wix site before publishing so you can see exactly how it will look to visitors. Doing this allows you to check for errors before you make the site live and public. So here we go. When you're logged in, go to your Wix editor and we click here. And once we have the site loaded, we're looking up to the top right. There's a button here that says preview. Simply click on that button and Wix will make the site live as if it were live, so you can see exactly how things work. You can check the links to make sure they're working. You can move around the site exactly as somebody who was viewing it live would see. And then we can go back to the editor, out of the preview, if we need to make any changes. There you go. That's it for this tutorial. Short and sweet. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to switch between desktop and mobile view inside Wix. This is the Online Force and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the force be with you always.